Hello, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Kayon Aldria. Before we go, remember to like, comment, share this video to someone who might need it, or they don't know they need it, but share it, and yes, and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so you will not miss a beat anytime I post to this channel. Thank you. Let's get into this video. How do I invest on the Jamaican stock market? I'm going to tell you how to start doing it yourself. You can use the Jtraderpro. You can sign up on the Jtraderpro platform. All you need to do is visit the link in the description box below, which is jtraderpro.jamstockx.com, and select register. Let me give you some tips, especially if you're new to this investment thing, right? Tip number one: when you go on the Jtraderpro platform to trade, treat it like you're going shopping. When you go to the supermarket, or when you just go to the mall, regular shopping, I'm sure you have an idea of the budget that you're willing to spend. Treat it the same way. Do not buy a stock because you see it selling for $10 and you believe you must have this stock today. Say you go on the platform today and you see stock A selling for $8, and you go on it tomorrow and you see it selling for $10, and you think, oh my, it's going up too fast, I must have this. No, do not. It's a market. Trust me, it will settle off. It will come back down again. Know your budget and stick to it. Do not overpay for a stock, because if you do that, I'm going to tell you now, you'll have to wait longer to see more returns than the time you need to actually really wait. You don't want that. The next thing is, be wary. A lot of persons will not tell you this, but I'm going to tell you. The Jamaican Stock Exchange, it has its time. So I normally notice somewhere around the end of the month, prices will be a bit higher because everyone is buying, so everyone else is selling. You know, you don't want to buy in the peak season. You want to buy in the low season. So no worries if you need to take a month or a month and a half before you run and buy a stock. You can look at the market, analyze, and make your decision when is the best time to really purchase a stock. Okay? There's another thing you need to know. With the stock market, the Jamaican stock market that is, here's something many persons will not tell you. You have sales. Yes, it's a market. Sometimes all you need to do is wait. Put in that order and wait. Sales happen on the market every now and then, and you can put it in and don't even have to check it back. Maybe give it a week or a month. By the time you go back, it will be filled and you'll be like, see, I got my price. But if you do not have it in the queue to be filled, you will miss out on that sale. Right? So sometimes there are sales and you have to be in the market to see the sales. I know you're probably busy, have work throughout the day, but you can always check back in the nights to see what stocks were being sold at in the day or a week ago, and use that to make your decision what you believe is the best price. So again, don't hurry. It's a market. It's a market. Things happen. Last but not least, try your best to research as much as you can. Get to know the information that you need to know, because you want to invest in things that you understand. Never you invest in anything that you do not understand. Remember, I am not an investment advisor. I'm only telling you based off of my experience of being in the market. And try to invest in things such as things that you use every day, because if you're already supporting those companies, then might as well you get their stock. Same thing. Things that you genuinely, stocks that you are companies you genuinely love and support. Okay? And of course, you know, things always happens in the market, right? Every now and then you have stock splits. You also have new APOs and you have new IPOs. You have to be on the lookout for those things, right? So you have to keep on researching. And don't worry, if you have a Jtraderpro account, even if you don't, you can always visit the Jamaica Stock Exchange website. Everything you need to know about the Jamaican stock market is in the news area of the Jamaica Stock Exchange website. I will leave a link to that site in my description below. So if you're worrying where you need to find research about information for stocks, do not worry, it's there on their website. So you can just read the news and find out more. Do not rely on social media persons to tell you what's going on in the market, because people always have their hidden agendas, right? You want to do your own research, know where you fall when it comes to what your standards are with certain companies, and that's how you invest. Do not run and follow hype, because if you follow hypes with companies, then sometimes you will be left with the one holding that stock when it's too late. Be careful. But you can find all the information on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Read it yourself, research, read, spend time, and know what you're investing in. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you made it to the end, please like, comment, share this video to someone else who might need it, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you do not miss a beat of when I post. And once again, walk good.